In this video, we'll talk about Lab 5, Row in Stars 2 from Lesson 6a, which is pretty much like Lab 4 that we demonstrated in the previous video. It says to write a method that will receive an integer parameter n and output n stars in a row using a do-while loop. The data file is essentially identical, except it's called lab6a5.n, has the values 5, 10, and 20. The output, again, is identical, row in stars 2 as the label, and then 3 rows, the first 5 stars, the second 10 stars, and the third 20 stars. So here you remember Lab 4, we talked about this complete solution and all the factors of it, the 3 import statements, the method definition here that uses the parameter n, starting with the loop control variable, but this time we'll do a do-while loop instead. Down here in main, we'll just change the label to row in stars 2. The data file name is lab6a5. Everything else is identical. So let's go over here and copy this, and we'll paste it into our window and just make the necessary changes. This is lab6a5. The method will be called row in stars 2. It will still have the parameter n. We'll still have the loop control variable, but remember this is the while, which is going to be at the end. And as you remember, we needed a semicolon to finish that. We go back up to here and type do. And then in main, we're going to change the label to row in stars 2. We change the name of the data file to 6a5.n. We change the method name to row in stars 2, the method call. And that should pretty much do it. So let's compile it and run it. And there you have it. So pretty much the same as Lab 4, except now using a do-while loop instead.